Welcome to another journey where we discuss the fascinating concept of distance. Distance, in its simplest form, is the measure of space between two points. It's the length of the path traveled by an object, or the separation between two objects. But what is it made of? Well, distance is not a physical substance. Rather, it's an abstract concept that helps us understand spatial relationships. Distance is formed through various means depending on the context. In everyday life, it can be formed by walking, driving, or any form of motion. In the realm of physics, distance is often calculated based on the displacement of an object, which is the change in its position. Distance works by providing a quantitative measure of separation between objects or locations. It's essential for navigating, transportation, and understanding the physical world around us. In physics, distance is a fundamental quantity used in many equations to describe the motion of objects. For instance, if you're driving from one city to another, the distance between two cities determines how long your journey will take. Similarly, in the study of electromagnetism, distance plays a crucial role in determining the strength of electric and magnetic fields. The primary purpose of distance is to quantify the spatial relationships between objects or points in space. It helps us navigate through the physical world and understand the dynamics of motion. Without distance, concepts like speed, velocity, and acceleration would be meaningless. In practical terms, distance facilitates communication, trade, and transportation. It enables us to measure progress, plan routes, and design infrastructure. In scientific research, distance serves as a foundational concept for understanding phenomena ranging from the subatomic scale to the vast expanse of the universe. Throughout history, humans have grappled with the concept of distance. Ancient civilization developed various methods for measuring distance, such as using pace, rods, rope. The invention of standardized units of measurement like the meter and the mile revolutionized trade, travel, and science. The study of distance also played a significant role in the development of geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. Visionaries like Euclid, Pythagoras, and Newton contributed to our understanding of spatial relationships and the mathematical principles governing them. In nature, distance is omnipresent. From the vast expanse of the cosmos to the microscopic world of atoms, distance shapes the fabric of reality. In ecosystems, animals navigate through various terrains, relying on distance cues for survival. In everyday life, we encounter distance in myriad ways, from measuring the length of a room to estimating the time it takes to commute to work. Distance influences our perception of space and time, shaping our interaction with the world around us. Imagine a scenario where you're standing at one end of a long hallway with a closed door at the other end. Without measuring tools, how would you estimate the distance to the door? This simple thought experiment illustrates how humans intuitively perceive and gauge distance based on visual cues and past experiences. Another simple experiment to understand. Distance involves measuring the length of a known path, such as a hallway or a garden path, using a measuring tape or a ruler. By walking along the path or counting steps, you can estimate the distance traveled and comparing it to the actual measurement. In mathematics, distance is often analyzed using the principles of geometry and algebra. For instance, the distance between 2 points in a two-dimensional plane can be calculated using the Pythagorean theorem. In three-dimensional space, distance is calculated using similarly principles extending to higher dimensions in advanced mathematics. In Islam, distance is not only a physical concept, but also a spiritual one. The Quran often refers to the vast distance of the heavens and the earth as a testament to the power and majesty of Allah. Muslims contemplate the magnitude of cosmic distance as a reminder of their place in the universe and the importance of humility before the Creator. As we conclude our exploration of distance, we are reminded of its profound significance in both the physical and metaphysical realm. Whether measuring the vastness of space or pondering the depths of human soul, distance continues to inspire wonder and curiosity. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. To end this video, I got 4 multiple choice questions for you. See you next time.